guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be London here of Sukumu Signature Plus. Love you guys for loving this video, subscribing to my channel, duh, and liking this video and leaving your comments below and giving thumbs up, hitting your notification button so YouTube realizes that this channel is important. And oh, if you don't know, I am now monetized and you can gift me if you want. All these new features that YouTube has introduced, you can take advantage of it. You can like in the comments and gift me anything you would like, give a shout out, whatever you want. You can go ahead, and it is recommended that I let you guys know in case you didn't. All right, so let's dive into today's video. So today we're going to be talking about vitamin C serums. You definitely want to introduce vitamin C serums to your skincare routine. Trust me, number one, it's an antioxidant, so it protects your skin from external damage. It protects your skin from UV rays. Yes, it does. But it is not sunscreen. It is not sunscreen. I particularly like to use vitamin C like this, especially when I'm going out. I put in my vitamin C serum and I go over that with my sunscreen, because vitamin C is already an antioxidant, so it's definitely going to protect a lot of from external pollution and all of that jazz. And you want to put your sunscreen on top of that to protect from UV damage. So you want to use vitamin C serums. Again, I've mentioned this before in my previous videos. The kind of vitamin C serums I like to use now, I think I've used other types before, but the one I like to use now, it's not particularly in the make itself, right? I have used regular vitamin C serums. I've used waterless vitamin C serums. That's not the point. The point is the kind of container, the kind of packaging it comes in, because that will make sure your vitamin C lasts for a very, very, very long time. The vitamin C serums that come in a dropper bottle, where you use like just like a glass bottle, where it has like a dropper. I will grab it right now, but I don't want to get up right now. But you know what I mean, like a glass bottle in a dropper. That's all well and good, and I have purchased vitamin C serums in that form before, where it comes in that kind of container, and actually I still do purchase that. But you want to put it in a container where it's not constantly getting exposed to air, because if you notice, if you do already use vitamin C serum, you will notice how it crusts on the tip of the container. It crusts over. That's telling you that it's oxidizing. Yes, it does not have a long shelf life at all. So the faster you use those kinds of vitamin C, the better for you. If it's sitting on your table for such a long time, it's gonna oxidize and it's not gonna be as effective as it's supposed to be. The other kinds I do use are the ones that come in a pump bottle, pump packaging, and I think I've shown you, actually I have shown you that before. It comes in a pump. Now, that brand that I have shown you before on my channel is not particularly, I would say, the best. It was waterless vitamin C serum, so no water added to it, which means it was even stronger. But the best part was the way it was packaged. It was airless, so you pump it out. It wasn't oxidizing as fast as the other kinds of packaging do oxidize. So what do I recommend? I recommend you get a package. I will post something I got from Amazon, and it comes in a pack of 3. And it's an example where you would pour those ingredients that come in those dropper bottles that don't have a long shelf life, how you can store it in an airless container. That is the best option. And you can tell me how that works for you. Trust me, it's not going to oxidize fast at all. So definitely introduce vitamin C serum. Also, it protects your skin, number one, and also it brightens your skin. Number two, it brightens your skin and it protects your skin because it's an antioxidant. So definitely try introducing vitamin C into your skincare, and you will thank me later. All right, thank you for joining me today, and I will see you guys on the next video. Again, my name is Sikmi London, aka It's Lady London, on all my socials. It's Lady London, ITSLADY London, all one word, on all my socials. Bye.